A loss of 3.3% in XRP is forecast by May 5 per crypto predictions. First, let's go over the latest move we've seen in the market. XRP is now up 2% since yesterday and trades just under $1.4127. We now take a look at forecast opinions. Gov Capital Collector gives a forecast of $1.4065 by May 5, which would be 0.5% below today. Traders Union anticipates XRP could touch $1.3837, marking a fall close to 2.1%. Digital Coin Price notes it may slide toward $1.3785, a fall close to 2.5%. Another prediction by Crypto Predictions expects XRP may sink to $1.367, roughly 3.3% below now. Finally, CoinDataFlow targets $1.36 by tomorrow. That's a drop of 3.8%. This one stands as the top return forecast. We've reviewed 5 views. Let's move forward. After going through all 5 forecasts, here's the numeric view. Based on the analysts' predictions, the price range is from a decline of 3.8% to a decrease of 0.5%. That means CoinDataFlow is set to achieve the highest return with 3.8% rise in value by May 5. To sum it up, you could receive between $5 and $38 for every $1,000 you invest. With volatility taken into account, Gov Capital Collector's forecast indicates the most likely movement, with a 78.8% chance of success. With all forecasts taken together, I've produced a consensus outlook. Consensus data positions XRP for a potential 2.4% decline by tomorrow. Here's the full picture. The consensus calculation shows a 2.4% drop by tomorrow. In simple terms, your capital might mirror the same 2.4% change. On each $1,000 invested, the outcome might suggest roughly $24 in potential upside. According to the consensus assessment, the odds of this projection being realized are near 58.9%. Moving on, let's explore how analysts expect the price to behave in the next 3 days. A bearish outlook is projected by Gov Capital Collector, pointing to a decline. A bearish stance is similarly reflected in Traders Union's forecast. Likewise, Digital Coin Price points to further weakness. Additionally, Crypto Predictions expects a bearish continuation. Meanwhile, CoinDataFlow expects losses to extend. The consensus projection shows XRP drifting lower during the 3-day period. The overall picture is consistent. Every analyst expects XRP to soften. Bringing these perspectives together, the majority expect XRP to decline. 5 forecasts were published 2 days ago. Let's see how accurate they turned out. As a result, the session closed at $1.3877. In the end, just 2 analysts managed to get the trend correct. Most precise forecast was delivered by Coin Price Forecast. Let's take it apart. Only one forecast fit inside yesterday's price range. Speaking of ROI, not all results were positive, but Coin Price Forecast achieved the strongest gain at 0.4%. Here's the daily summary. How each analyst's forecast performed in real numbers. When checking results, CoinLore showed minus 0.2% ROI and $0.2077 accuracy. Look at the numbers. Can you guess who performed best? And now you can see how the forecasted returns for tomorrow differ among a few cryptocurrencies. According to tomorrow's forecasts, XRP stands at 3rd place, and Optimism shows 4.2% potential return. Here I've compared XRP with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. A broader comparison with many more can already be explored on my website. You made it this far, and that's awesome. If this was worth your time, a like would be amazing. Till next time.